Hello friends, in the study of English language and grammar, it's important to grasp the distinctions between various linguistic elements. Let's explore the differences among words, phrases, clauses, paragraphs, idioms, and proverbs. A word is the smallest unit of language that carries meaning. It can stand alone or combine with other words to form sentences. For example, cat, run, and happy are all words. A phrase is a group of words that work together, but don't have a subject and a verb. Phrases can function as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs within sentences. For instance, in the morning, under the table, and very quickly are phrases. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. Clauses can be independent, express complete thoughts, or dependent, can't stand alone as a complete sentence. Examples of clauses are she sings independent, and because he was tired dependent. A paragraph is a series of sentences that relate to a single topic or idea. It's a way to organize thoughts and present information in written form. Paragraphs help structure writing and make it easier for readers to follow the content. An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a meaning different from the literal meanings of its individual words. Idioms are culturally specific and often require understanding the context to interpret correctly. Examples include break a leg, meaning good luck, and kick the bucket, meaning to die. A proverb is a short, traditional saying that imparts wisdom or advice. Proverbs are often passed down through generations and reflect cultural values. For example, don't count your chickens before they hatch advises against premature assumptions. Remember, a clear understanding of these linguistic elements enhances your ability to communicate effectively and interpret written and spoken language accurately. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions or need more examples.